A word of love and peace.
Yes guys, right now we're in Montpelier right now. We're at a river in Montpelier right now at a boat party right now. So as you can see the river down there. Yeah, they used to have a zip line. A zip line down here, so but you don't have to go far off, you can see zip line. Yeah. A zip line, the way up. Yeah. This is a step up walk over the zip line. But when I go up, I go see it because the view is spanning and showing the zip line. The zip line is really far. Yeah, I'm soon reach up on the zip line now. Zip line, wow, it's a lot of walking. Whole heap of walking, man. Yeah, we finally reached the zip line. Yeah, you can look up there so you see it. Yeah, but it's no longer working. Yeah. Up in Montpelier. You can see the place and see it, look. This used to be a tourist attraction. Like tourists usually come on the zip line and so forth. Yeah. Can look and see zip line. But a whole heap of walking for come up so. Yeah. Tired. Go down back for reach down back down the river now. Yeah man, we're there at Montpelier on the river. Yeah, we're there at bird party. Piece of river this yeah, the next pretty part up there so. Yeah. This is the deep part. Part are really deep. Outside! Video. Bad. Jerk, bud. Yeah, man.